Hope this goes well. There's a lot of power lines there. We will see. I kind of want to finish watching this before I go to bed. See how professional these guys are. They quit cutting. What are they doing now? Is it timber? What y'all doing? Come back. Give her a little push. Oh. Oh, whoa. So y'all think it should be falling and it ain't falling, so y'all trying to hit it. You probably telling the driver, drive up a little bit so it'll fall. Huh. That person in that house is looking out the door because they're like, my car is in this yard here. If that tree falls this way, I am going to have a lawsuit. But I love my life enough that I'm not going to be standing that close to that situation. Like, that's a good time to film it. Now he's going back inside, closing the door. That's a good time to film it and, like, go some across the street or something. Like, literally where when the tree falls, it cannot get you. Right? Or am I being extra? Is anything going to happen here? Timber. Oh, he's coming back for another smack. Seemed like to me it would crush that truck. Huh. I couldn't do that. I would totally cut my hand off. Like, it wouldn't just be the tree. It would be a red tree because there would be blood everywhere. I'm not trying to be gross. I'm really not. But I have a little chainsaw that I have yet to use. But it's tiny and... there we go. Timber. They did it. I think they didn't take out any power lines too. Impressive. Impressive. Good job. High fives. High fives. Person in the house still alive. The truck's still good. Whoa.